Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com and we are looking at the Great Britain pound US dollar. This is a 4 hours chart. What I would like to point out here is that price is looking a bit bullish and heading into the non-farm payrolls this week and Bank of England. I would say that more upside is about to come. Now the reason for saying that is or stays with the following situation. Let me delete these ones here. I'm looking at the market or the market moves from the downside here, and I would say that this is a classical impulsive move. Take a look here. I would say that from the lows here we have something like 1 and 2, the first two waves, then we have the third wave here, and then we have the fourth wave here, and then the fifth wave being first wave extension 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there you go. This is a classical 5-way structure. I would say, actually I didn't check it, but if we are going to check it, it seems like a double extension or double extended impulsive move. Well, if this is a double extended impulsive move, then this move to the downside here should not retrace more than 61.8 when compared with it in order for this to be a zigzag. Now if you take a Fibonacci and if you look at the retracement level from the lows here to the highs, and you are seeing that 61.8 is touched. Well, there is the tricky part, because the 61.8 should be interpreted at the end of the wave. So this is the corrective wave that started. So 61.8 should be considered on relation or in relation with this retracement level where it ends. I don't think it ends here, as from my point of view it ends with a triangle. Yes, I know, another triangle of a lower degree, something like this, from this moment of time to go A, B, C, D, E. So a running variation of a contracting triangle here, and from my point of view again, this ends right here in 165.08. So that would be a wave A to the upside, a B wave to the downside. So the whole pattern to follow. If you want, you can go on the daily chart to see that it is even resembling with a bullish flag. So the whole pattern there normally should be from these lows like this. Let me change the color for it, like this, clone it, and then trying to project it to the upside, but again from that moment of time, and that will give us an area of above 170. Now what would that mean? Well, I'm going to tell you what would that mean. It would mean that Euro US dollar should go over the 140 level. The Euro Great Britain pound should still be pressured, and of course Great Britain pound US dollar staggering to new highs in an impulsive move. Now it remains to be seen if the market is going to confirm our scenario here, but I would like to do next week, going into the ECB and Bank of England, and most importantly non-farm payrolls. I will look at this moment here. Take a look here. If you try to combine this lower trend line and project it to the upside here, from this moment you are seeing that price is actually confirming our, see here, resistance, 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 well, resistance again. Well, now we are forming a sort of a small pennant here. I don't want to be on the short side, and therefore what I would like to do here is to just go and buy call options on the Monday's opening, and my expiration date will be, make no mistake, end of week expiration date for next week. So looking to buy call options with end of week expiration date by the time markets are opening on Monday. Thank you very much for being here. FairBinaryOptions.com here. We are looking at the Great Britain pound US dollar to still moving to the upside, and therefore we are buying call options with end of week expiration date for next Friday. Thank you and bye bye. All these recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lion Eye.